Welcome once again. Today we honor Saints Timothy and Titus, two of the saints of the very early church. Both were friends and companions of the Apostle Paul. Timothy was a convert of Paul. He was a co-worker, a co-missionary with him. He actually helped Paul found the Christian community in Corinth. And near the end of his life, when Paul was summoned to Rome for an alleged crime that he had committed, Timothy actually went with him and eventually was put into prison himself. Titus was also a friend of Paul and a disciple. One of the things he's noted for is that when the church in Corinth was doing things they weren't supposed to be doing, especially not sharing meals with everybody, the wealthy and the poor eating different food, even in the midst of the Christian community. It was Titus who delivered the very difficult and challenging letter to the Corinthian community on behalf of Paul. What we see in these two friends is that they were willing, because they were friends, they were willing to do difficult, tough things for their friend. We all have friends. We like to share good times, happy times, laughter with them. But there's also times when we're called upon to do tough things, to stand with our friends during times of hardship, to tell our friends hard things because they are true. And so we have in Timothy and Titus examples of strong, true friends, those who are willing to stand with their friends through both the easy times and the difficult times. May we be friends like Timothy and Titus. Thank you for watching today.